everyone. So, you know how everyone is racing to adopt AI? It's everywhere. But it brings up a huge question. Are we accidentally giving away our most valuable secrets in the process? Today, we're going to dig into how you can actually maintain control in this new age of AI. Let's get right into it. And this, right here, this is the central problem for, well, pretty much every organization out there. The power of generative AI is just incredible. There's no denying it. But it comes with this giant catch. To use it, you often have to hand over your most sensitive, proprietary data to a third party. So the real question is, how do you unlock all that amazing potential without basically giving away the keys to your kingdom? You know, that question really gets to the heart of what we can call the generative AI dilemma. It's this fundamental clash, this tension between the desperate need to innovate and stay ahead and the absolute non-negotiable need to keep control over your most important stuff. Think about it. The moment you use an external AI service, you're opening up a huge business risk. Your data, which is your secret sauce, your competitive advantage, is suddenly not in your hands anymore. This can lead to serious vendor lock-in, it creates all new security holes, and at the end of the day, it means you lose control over your own innovation. So what's the fix for this dilemma? Well, it's this really powerful new way of thinking called sovereign AI. And honestly, it completely changes the game for how we approach security and artificial intelligence. At its core, sovereign AI is actually a pretty straightforward idea. You take powerful open-source models and you run them completely inside your own secure environment. We're talking your on-premise servers, your private cloud. The crucial part, your data stays private because it never leaves your control. It's that simple. And when you put them side by side, the difference is just wow. It's night and day. With the third-party services, you're giving up data control, you're creating external security risks, and you're getting locked into whatever they tell you to use. But with sovereign AI, you keep total control, you get complete security, and you have all the flexibility in the world to customize and fine-tune models exactly how you want to. Okay, so the idea, the philosophy, it makes perfect sense, right? But how do you actually do it? How do you make it happen in the real world? Let's take a look at the solution that turns this whole concept into a practical reality. And the answer is a platform called ConfidentialMind. You can think of it as the complete, full-stack solution that's purpose-built to deliver on the promise of sovereign AI. It's designed specifically for what's called the neo-cloud ecosystem, these modern private and hybrid cloud setups. Let's just break that down for a second. Full sovereign. That means it operates with total independence. Secure and self-hosted are the key ingredients that guarantee you're in the driver's seat. And it's built from the ground up for the kinds of places where privacy is everything, on-premise servers and private clouds. Now, this kind of sovereignty doesn't come from just one single feature. It's actually built on a whole architecture that stands on 4 essential pillars. Let's walk through these, because they are really important. First up, it's fully deployable. This gives you total freedom to run it anywhere on whatever hardware you have. Second, it's a comprehensive platform. All the tools you need, inference, orchestration, databases, the whole shebang. It's all under one secure roof. That closes a ton of security gaps. Third, it has advanced AI capabilities baked right in. We're talking fine-tuning in something called Retrieval Augmented Generation, or RAG, which is super cool. It lets the AI securely pull answers from your own private documents. And finally, and this is the absolute key to the whole thing, zero dependencies. The platform can run completely disconnected, totally air-gapped, with no connections to the outside world. That is how you guarantee absolute data sovereignty. And hey, this isn't just some theory on a slide. This shift towards sovereignty is already happening. We're seeing major cloud providers jumping on this exact approach right now. I mean, look at this. We're seeing pioneers like Canopy Wave in the US, a company called Elastic's, which literally markets itself as Sweden's sovereign cloud, and Magic Cloud over in Finland. They are all building their next-gen AI offerings on top of the ConfidentialMind stack. This is all the proof you need that this is where the industry is heading. Which really brings us back to the big picture. As AI gets woven into every single part of business, you have to ask yourself this question. In this new world, is having full sovereign control over your AI and your data the ultimate competitive advantage? Something to think about.